Hello friends, good morning. How are you? My friends, very good morning. Welcome to all my online lectures. So, now I share my PPT. Friends, our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalaya Nehru Nagar Kurla. Today is Monday. Today's date is 8th February 2021. Standard 4th, Subject English. Today's topic is Kingdom of Plants. What do you see in this picture? Plant life cycle. What do you see in this picture? Correct. Seeds, flowers, seedling. What is it? Seedling. How to grow trees. First one we saw a seeds. Then came out seedlings or growth seedlings. Next one, what you see? Correct. Slowly grow and grow into the trees. This is what you see in this picture, part of the trees. Fruit, flower, leaf, etc. Now what you see in this picture? Types of plants. One of them vines or climber. What do you see in this picture? Climber. It's a grapes climber. It's a flowers climbers. It's a money plant. What is it? Money plant. It's a grapes plant. Now what you see in this picture? Creepers. What is it? Creepers. What is it? Pumpkin. What is it? Muskling. Next one, shrub. What is it? Shrub. Small trees called shrub. Hydrena. Types of shrubs. For example, rose, hydrena, etc. Periwinkle. It's called weeds. What is it? Weeds. It's called freshwater plant. It's called freshwater aquatic plant. For example, lotus. Now what do you see in this picture? Carnivorous plant. What is it? Carnivorous plant. What is it? Thorny plants. What is it? Thorny plants means cactus. What is it? Weeds. Shrubs. Now type of plants. First one we see there are climber, money plant, pea plant and bean plant. It's called climber. Second one, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. It's called creeper. And last one, herb, spinach, mint, coriander, it's called herb. Types of plants, next one, shrubs. Cotton plant, rose plant, mums plant. Wild plants, banyan tree, grass, periwinkle plants. Water plants, lotus, hydrilla, dixweed. Now let us take a trip to the kingdom of plant. What we learn? Let us take a trip to the kingdom of plant. What a great variety! There are thousands and thousands of different types of plant here. What you see in this picture? Moss. This is moss. It is soft. It looks like a bright green carpet. What is it? You see everywhere. What you see in this picture? Green carpet. It's called moss. All of you understood? Very good. Second one, grass. Type of grass. Look at the grass. This too is soft, green and short. But do you know rice, wheat and jowar are also types of grass. They give us grain. Third one, plant's name is herb. This plant has a thin stem and so many leaves. It is a herb. You know that? Herb. It's called herb. How it is? Thin stem and many leaves. This plant has a tough stem. What is it? Tough stem and so many branches. It has many leaves too. It is bush or shrub. This plant called bush. What is it? Bush or shrub. There are types of shrubs: lavender, rose, etc. And look at this. What a thick trunk. It is so tall. It is tree. Can you climb a tree? What do we see here? Climbing this tree. It's a climber. What is it? Climber. What is it's called? Climber or vine. These plants grow fast. You see in this picture all these are climbers. Grapes vine, honeysuckle. Be very careful with this plant. It's a cactus. What is it? Cactus. It has many thorns. What do you see in this? Thorns. The thorns can pick you. So be alert. This is type of thorns or cactus. Now I explain you kingdom of plants. What is the lesson name? Kingdom of plants. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Correct. The stone covered by moss. Big stone covered by or rock. What is it? Rock or big stone covered by moss. All these you see, all place you see moss. This is moss. It's called Marathi word sheval. It is soft. How it is? Soft. It looks like a bright green carpet. How it's look? A bright green carpet. Do you like? Very good. Look, the mountain covered by moss. Second one plant's name is grass. Look at the grass. This too is soft, green and short. How is the grass? The grass is soft. You know that? Soft. Green. Color is green and tall, short. But do you know rice, wheat, jowar all also types of grass. We give us grains. Grass give us grain. Which grass give us grain? Correct. Rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, ragi, etc. Very good. What do you see in this picture? Here is spread grass. Which grass? For example, rice or wheat. Correct. This is types of grass. Which they are? Rice, jowar, bajra, wheat. Grass name. Tell me grass names. Correct. Rice, jowar, bajra, wheat. This is picture shows that this is grass. Name is rice. In Konkan region, their rainfall, high rainfall. So their peoples grow grass. Name is rice. Crops name is rice. This plant has thin stem. Thin means barik and so many leaves. It is herb. What is it? Herb. This is ova plant. Herb. This is turmeric plant. This is tulsi. This is periwinkle. What is it? Plant name? Periwinkle. Mogra. Next one, potatoes plant. Next one, this plant has top and stem. This plant has a top stem. How the stem are? Top stem and so many branches. It's called, and it has many leaves too. It is bush. It's called bush or shrub. For example, rose plant called bush. A tea bush. Tea means we drink early in the morning tea. It's called tea plant. Japanese maple. It's called butterfly bush. What is it? Butterfly bush. Weeping willow. Hydrangea. What is it? Hydrangea. And it is weeping willow. This is type of shrubs. Rose bush, hydrangea, etc. This plant is lemon tree plant. This is also bush, type of bush. This is rose plant. Show plant. Jasmine. This plant name is lady finger. What is it? Lady finger. Money plant. Show plant. Brinjal plant. What is it? Brinjal plant. This is potato and this is sugar cane. All these plant known as a bush or shrub. Now this plant name is banana tree. Now this is plant name is bamboo trees. And look at this. What thick trunk? It is a tall. It's a tree. Can you climb a tree? Now see the tree names. Which there are? Mango tree, curry leaf plant tree, tamarind tree, coconut trees, badam trees, mango trees, banyan trees, coconut trees, peepal trees, drumstick tree, jamun tree. Now what is it? It's called, what do we see here? It's called climbing this tree. What is it? Climbing tree. It's called vine or climber. Its name is bittergood. It's a climber or vine. What is it? Climber or vine. This plant grow, take support and grow. It's called climber or vine. This plant grow very fast. This plant grow very fast. Chili plant. Look at this picture. This plant grow very fast, and when they take support and grow. Now we see cactus, pineapple. Be very careful with this plant. It's a cactus. What is it? Cactus. It has many thorns. The thorn can pick you. So cactus, types of oliva. And this is, what is it? Water plant, means aquatic plant. Its name is lotus. Now tell me uses of plants. We get fruits, food, wood, flowers from the trees or plants. We get type of plants. They give us food, fruit, flowers, wood, cotton, bamboo, We use types of things. Basket, use replace for plastic. So we save nature. Now butterflies, we see butterflies on the tree. So save tree, save nature, and save animals, birds. What parts does a plant have? Flower, leaves, stem. It's called stem. Look at this picture. It's called stem. What is it? Stem. What is it? Stem. Leaves, branch. Here is what plants need? Water, sunlight. What is this diagram telling you about photographs? Photosynthesis. Tell your teacher. Objectives. Test use yourself. B for a gene. What is photosynthesis? Why is photosynthesis important? Quiz. Inputs. Glucose product. What they give? Carbon dioxide and give out oxygens. Look, carbon dioxide, radiant energy, oxygen. Plants take carbon dioxide and radiant energy from the sun and give out oxygen. So plants is important for us. It's called photosynthesis. Save the tree, save the nature. Thank you.